Kung importante sa'yo ang peace of mind, kailangan mo nito. This is the Tapo C500 CCTV camera with colored night vision. So sabi sa box, it's 1080p Full HD, pero check nyo yung footage. So meron din siya tinatawag na patrol mode kung saan dynamic yung movement ng camera. Ikaw magsiset kung saan siya titingin from time to time. Meron ding interval na gano'n. So itong CCTV nito, meron siyang built-in speakers at microphone. So pwede mong makausap yung mga tao na nasa labas.
Sino po yan? Pakiiwan na lang po sa may gate.
Meron siyang importanteng feature, pwede siyang kabitan ng micro SD na memory card. But meron siyang loop recording. So kahit hindi ganun kalaking memory card ang bibilin mo, may loop recording siya. But of course, mas maganda, mas maraming footage ang makukuha in case of any emergency. So itong CCTV nito, pwede siyang umikot 360 degrees, so it has a wide range of visibility. Okay, pag in-unbox natin, meron kang camera, meron kang power adapter, na mahaba-haba din yung wire, mounting template, mounting bracket, mounting anchors, mounting screws, bracket screws, at quick start guide. Hindi mo na kailangan tansyahin kung paano ikakabit, kasi meron na siyang guide kung saan ka magbubutas. Pero kung hindi ka pinapayagan magbutas sa inyong lugar, meron namang option na i-zip tie na lang yung mounting. Almost lahat ng controls is through your phone. From panning, from setting the alarm, at dahil may phone connectivity siya, madali nang mag-record at kumuha ng footage directly from the camera. You also have the choice to directly receive notifications in case merong movement sa specific na area na yon. Or meron ding tao na detect yung camera. So ito, 2,000 pesos, pero wala pa siyang memory card. But for its price, sulit na sulit na. And again, if you value your peace of mind, this is a very good investment.